Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Sienna cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, including a small Phillips head screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality and is easy to do yourself, saving you time and money at the service center. Next, open your glove box and remove all items. On the right side, you'll see a small dampener arm. Gently detach it. Then, carefully squeeze the sides of the glove box inward. This action will release the stopper tabs, allowing the glove box to swing down completely, giving you full access to the filter housing behind it. Be gentle to avoid damaging any plastic components. Now you'll see a rectangular cover for the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips on either side. Unclip them to remove the cover. Carefully slide out the old, dirty filter. Before inserting the new filter, pay attention to the airflow arrow, ensuring it points in the correct direction, typically downwards. Slide the new filter in smoothly until it's fully seated. Finally, replace the filter housing cover, making sure the clip snaps securely into place. Lift the glove box back into position, squeezing the sides slightly to clear the stopper tabs. Reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove box and you're all set. Start your vehicle and test the air conditioning to ensure everything is working correctly. Enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.